How to watch Telegram videos without downloading them. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you watch Telegram videos without downloading them. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the application Telegram with your account. Alright, so after you open the Telegram, you'll be able to see such interface. So from here, you'll have to just tap on the option settings just at the bottom right corner. Alright, so from the settings section, you'll have to scroll down and go the options like data and storage. Alright, so from the data and storage section, you'll have to go with the sections like automatic media download. So from here, you'll have to just tap on the option using cellular or your Wi-Fi. So simply from here, you'll have to just turn off the option auto download media. So turn off it from here, and same as usual, you'll have to choose for the Wi-Fi. Alright, so turn off it. Alright, so after you turn off the automatic media download from here, you'll be able to easily watch the Telegram videos without downloading them to your gallery. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.